Right, so the first thing I do before I start any restoration work is get rid of all the loose dust, especially with a couch like this. You can see in the buttonholes there, it's a great place for dirt and dust to accumulate, and also under the pleats here. So if you've got the compressed air, grab a air gun as well. And what I do then is I actually just go through all these areas and blow all the dirt out. Just mind your eyes when you're doing that, because if it hits your eyeball it hurts. And if you don't have access to compressed air and an air gun, just use your vacuum cleaner. And the whole idea is just to get rid of all the loose dust that's sitting around. So how I do this is just work my way around all those cracks, creases and buttonholes. And then I'll just go around the whole thing. So that's the first step.